dagen spørger, om man må se det færdige resultat her på Slær. Vi er stadig i gang, men vi flytter midt august, og vi kæmper altså med det. I en af rækken her, der er vores økonomi- og indkøbsteam i gang med at mærke reol.
Fun fact, or maybe not fun, but crazy fact. Did you know that Sweden and Denmark are the two countries in the world that fought most war against each other? Welcome to the low mid budget watch report, and today I'm going to unbox a Dissing diver. And Dissing is the Danish brand by the two brothers Dissing. I know one of them is named Mikkel Dissing, and they are two Danish brothers. They are not very old, and they started this watch retailer Dit-Ur, and they started a watch brand Dissing, which designed, I guess, by the Danish and manufactured in China, if I'm correct. Well, anyhow, the Dissing brand and the Dit-Ur watch retailers are very successful. They made a lot of profit. I think they are trying to take over the Nordic watch market somehow, because they opened up shops, I guess, in Norway, and they are selling watches in Sweden too. So I guess they want to be Scandinavia's biggest watch retailer, and also watch brand, I guess. But we will see how nice this watch is. It's a Dissing diver, and let me first of all, I saw some YouTube video or Instagram video with the Dissing watch box, and it looked not like this. This is just a paper box. I like paper boxes, but the Dissing box I saw in the, I guess, Dit-Ur shop, it was made of something else. It looked like more luxury than this, but I guess that's for another watch. I don't know. Well, let's see. Let's open this paper box. I like paper boxes. I like it clean and simple. Dissing logo. Let's open it. And here's the watch. It's a diver, and it comes with a Dissing tag, and I don't think there's anything more in the box, to be honest. And of course it's the original packaging and box, because I bought it from Dit-Ur, which is the same company as Dissing. Not the same, but it's the same owners that own Dissing and Dit-Ur. Well, this is how the watch looks like. It's the Dissing diver GMT, and it's sapphire glass, and it's stainless steel, of course. It's both brushed and polished, you can tell. And it looks very nice. You can see there are little waves in the texture. Feels heavy. Clasp is like my Longines clasp is very nice. It's both brushed and polished. I will try this on and see how it fits. Fits pretty nice. Yeah, it looks really good. You know what I'm saying? I ain't dissing this watch. And I think the bezel, it's only, you can only move it backwards. and it's not a screw down crown, it's a loose crown. And yeah, it has GMT and also a date window, of course. And it is lumen, it's lumen. Quartz movement, the quartz movement is Swiss made, it's a Ronda. So it's a nice quartz movement, no issues. Let's take a look at the back side. And on the case back, it's some church in Copenhagen. I guess it's the church where the Dissing brothers got baptized. I guess that's why it's on the back of all these Dissing watches. So I really don't know. It says 200 meter water resistance, and I don't really know if this is the case. I guess you can, it doesn't matter to me because I can swim and dive with this watch without problems. I will see. Right now it's winter and snowing outside, and I can't take a jump into the water, but I will try this out when it's summertime. And I also bought a Dissing watch last year, and it was a more cheaper one, and it works fine. So I guess there won't be any problems with the Dissing watch, but I will see. Time will always tell. So yeah, and well, let's take a look at the measurements. Yes, let's check the measurements. Yeah, and the case is 42 millimeter, and from the bottom to the top of the crown it is 46 millimeters, and between the lugs it is 22 millimeters, and the thickness of the watch is 13 millimeters. And from lug end to lug end it is 47 millimeters. Yeah, so it's the size is very nice. It's pretty nice size. It's a nice size. And let's take a closer look at this GMT diver. Looking very nice with the patterns on the dial, the waves. It's a little bit green bluish color, and there's the church, the Copenhagen church where the Dissing brothers got baptized, and the bracelet is very nice. I like it. It's kind of bulky, and there's the Dissing logo on the clasp. And yeah, it's a very nice looking diver, very classic looking diver. And yeah, I have no complaints at all. The crown is also good. And here you can see the loom at work. It's Super Luminoa, and it's actually a very nice loom. So they did a nice work with the loom. It looks really nice in the dark.
Yeah.
So there you have it, the Dissing GMT diver. It's a very affordable GMT diver. The movement is a Swiss Ronda movement, and it's GMT, so I guess that's nice. And the bezel looks very nice. I like the style of this watch. I even like the bracelet. It's a nice watch, and I got it for only $90 because it was on sale. And now when I see the price on it, because it went up again, I think it was winter sale, was it Christmas sale, I don't remember. It was only $90, and now it's $300. $300 is a bit much, but if it works like it says, it's you can dive with this watch. It's a pretty nice price. I wouldn't complain if it works. There's a 2 years warranty, and yeah, I will definitely try this out in the water. Maybe I won't go 200 meters down, but I will make the jump into the water, make the bomb splash. I'm a pretty fat guy, so there will be a lot of pressure on the watch. And yeah, it's for $90. This was like a very nice watch. If you like quartz watches, and of course I like quartz movement watches also. I like all watches, but if you see this one on sale, I think another color is on sale now. I don't know. If you find one of these on sale and there's only like $90 or around $100, definitely buy it, because it looks very good and it feels very good. And yeah, it's made in China, but what isn't? So that's all for now. Peace out. Peace.